Welcome back, everyone. So far, things have been quiet on the radar onshore, but we have been seeing some showers and thunderstorms offshore, and keep those umbrellas handy for today. Again, we're going to maintain that 40% chance of some scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the afternoon. At least the clouds are keeping temperatures a little bit cooler right now. We are in the upper 80s in Raymondville and Weslaco, upper 80s in Brownsville, right at 90 in Harlingen, McAllen, and Rio Grande City. So here's your day planner forecast. There is that chance for some scattered showers or thunderstorms at 3 o'clock this afternoon with temperatures in the lower 90s. Also at 6 p.m., there is that chance for a few showers, even some thunderstorms with temperatures in the upper 80s. The rain chances dwindle for this evening, but we cannot rule out a stray shower at 9 o'clock tonight with temperatures in the lower 80s. All right, here is Hurricane Irma looking very dangerous and powerful on the satellite picture. You can see that very well-defined eye. This looks like a buzzsaw, and right now Irma is lashing the British Virgin Islands. The eye of Irma is moving through the British Virgin Islands. Here is San Juan, Puerto Rico. You can see as it moves toward the west-northwest at 16 miles an hour. Look at this, folks, 185-mile-per-hour winds. A destructive hurricane, Category 5 hurricane. There's a movement to the west-northwest at 16. And here's the official forecast track from the National Hurricane Center. You'll notice that forecast cone includes the Bahamas, parts of Cuba, and yes, most of Florida. However, that forecast track has shifted a bit to the east, and it could very well shift again. But you notice that the cone of uncertainty with Irma encompasses most of Florida at this time. And let me show you the forecast spaghetti models. They have also shifted to the east from yesterday. Most of those models now want to take Irma to the east of Florida, perhaps over the Bahamas. Only 2 models at this time want to take Irma over Florida. More models take it over the Bahamas. Almost a sharp right turn back to the north. Behind Irma, here's Tropical Storm Jose. It has maximum winds of 70 miles per hour, moving to the west-northwest at 17. Now, part of that forecast cone does brush the Lesser Antilles, but otherwise Jose is expected to stay over the western Atlantic Ocean. Meanwhile, here is Tropical Storm Katia. Maximum winds are 45 miles per hour, moving to the east-southeast at 5 miles an hour. So here we are in the valley. Here's Tampico, Mexico, and Katia is expected to make a turn back toward the southwest, back toward the coast of Mexico and the Bay of Campeche. So Katia not a direct threat to us, Irma not a threat to us, and Jose not expected to be a threat to us. But thanks to Katia, we may see some of the moisture flow northward, so we're going to keep that chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Now let me show you why those forecast models for Irma have shifted a bit to the east. We are tracking a front, a rather weak front that's going to make its way into the valley later on this afternoon and evening and then stall out just north of us. But the upper level trough associated with this front is expected to help scoop Irma back toward the north and maybe toward the northeast. If the timing is right, it could mean more of an eastward, northeastward turn for Irma. But again, this is all subject to change. So we'll have to keep watching Irma very carefully. But people in Florida obviously need to be preparing for Irma as well as in the Bahamas. And people along the southeastern U.S. coast will be wanting to watch Irma very carefully. That front stalls out, and then this European model takes Irma perhaps toward the southeastern U.S. Back home in the valley for today, partly to mostly cloudy skies. We got a 40% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms. 93 the magic number. Then for tonight, maybe a stray shower with a low temperature of 71 degrees. Here's that 7-day forecast. There are the keywords, folks, for tomorrow. Behind the front, much less humid with highs in the upper 80s. We're down to 68 degrees by Friday morning. That's your First Warn 5 forecast. We'll be back after this.